How to fix TikTok not showing in App Store. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok not showing on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you need to follow some official troubleshooting steps. First is restarting your iPhone. So you can restart your iPhone and check if you do have TikTok in your App Store. And if not, then you need to ensure that your App Store is set to correct country. So you gotta make sure that your App Store is connected to a country that contains TikTok in their App Store. Now, if, for example, right now in US, TikTok is not available. So you can try changing your country origin to Canada or any other region that contains TikTok. So in order to do that, what you can do is you may need a valid payment method for the new region, or you can also select none. So what you gotta do is open your App Store and click on your profile over here. And then you gotta click on your account over here. So just click on your account. So once you click on your account, you'll be redirected to account settings. So you gotta click on country or region over here. And once you click on that, you have to click on change country or region. And now over here, you can select any country or region that contains TikTok. Now, for example, I'm going to select Canada in this list. So just click on Canada and you'll be redirected to another interface that will look something like this. So just click on agree. And now over here, you can select none. And after selecting none, you need to type down the billing address. So just type down any billing address and then click on next. Once you do that, you can go back to your App Store and search for TikTok and you'll be able to find TikTok on your App Store. But however, if the issue is still there, you can check for App Store restrictions. So just go on and go to your settings again. And then here you gotta click on screen time. So just click on screen time and then scroll down till you click on content and privacy restrictions. So ensure installing apps is allowed. So just click on installing apps and make sure that it is allowed. And if the issue is still there, then you need to make sure that your phone is updated to the latest version of software. If not, then I suggest you to update your phone to the latest version of software. And if the issue is still there, then you can sign out and back into your Apple ID. So then you can just go to your settings and just click on your Apple ID, sign out, and then sign back in. And after doing these steps, your issue would be resolved. And that was how you can fix TikTok not showing in App Store. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.